Talking about StockMagic. So, businesses, they purchase, they sell. So as they purchase and sell or do returns or do purchase return or sales return, so this on hand quantity, they are updated. So if you have 43 and you sell 3, you have 40 remaining. If you have 40 remaining, if you purchase 10, you have it as 50. As they purchase, automatically it reduces the on-hand quantity or increase the on-hand quantity. On-hand quantity is quantity that should be on the shelf. Yeah. On-hand quantity in QuickBooks. Yeah, it's ready for sales. Yeah. So on-hand quantity is the quantity that is on the shelf, that should be on the shelf. So if not on the shelf, maybe quantity both on the shelf and in the store. So it's on-hand quantity. That's what I have. So now, where StockMagic comes in is checking these quantities with the physical quantity. So with StockMagic, we need to import this data. We need to import this data into StockMagic. So StockMagic has a template. That is what we have here. Let me copy this template. This is StockMagic template. You can get it from StockMagic. So I will just call this StockMagic training. StockMagic training. So item code, list ID, department name, item name. So like this, you shouldn't. No, this is not even all. This is not all. Some has been deleted. So that should lead us to getting the templates out of our phone. Okay. So I'm going to connect to my phone.